Hello, Namaskar YouTube, how are you all? I'm going to my sister's home because they have bought a new Ather electrical scooter. So I was there when the scooter was delivered to them, but I could not test ride it. So today I will be test riding the new Ather electrical S450 model. There are actually two models, 450 and 340. Obviously it is the difference between the batteries power. The range of S450 is around 50 to 75 kilometers with a full battery charge, and it takes around 3 to 4 hours to fully charge the battery. So I'm in Koramangala now. From Koramangala I have to go to Vijay Bank layout off Bannerghatta road. So it's around 8 kilometers for me from my home to my sister's home, and I'll be trying Ather electrical S450 model. It's actually quite beautiful vehicle. Ather is actually Indian company. It's actually Bangalore based company. Two people in partnership, they came up with this company. Headquarters in Bangalore itself. The main showroom is in Indiranagar, 80 feet road, and there are multiple charging points across the city. The on-road price was around 1.1 lakh, 1.15 or 1.1 something around that. So it costed that much. So basically there is no competition for electrical scooters as of now. That's why they have kept it so high. Otherwise I think it will be around 60,000, 70,000 maybe. So 1.1 lakh is a bit costly for 75 kilometer range scooter. Yeah, if it is above 100, 200, I would say okay, nominal. But for 60 to 75 kilometer range electrical vehicle, you are charging 1.1 lakh. Hey, indicator hakalai offer. We deal with these people every day. Well, I'll get back to you when I reach there. She is the owner of this Ather, Kavya. Green number plate for electric vehicles, eco-friendly vehicles. MRF 90/12 tire. So now I'll be trying out Ather. I'll just explain you guys. So when the key is turned on, the screen will turn on, and you can see the total kilometer here, 339.9. Current ride 3 minutes. That was my trial just few minutes ago. Average speed was only 4 km per hour, and estimated range you can see 50 km is there. And there are two modes in this model. One is sport mode and one is ride mode. So you can even change here. There is one toggle button here, so that can be changed here also. So obviously sport mode, you will be knowing it will give you more pleasure of riding. Crazy speed, huh? So top speed will be around 60 to 80, I believe, not more than that. And now the charge is only 91% here. So now when we turn on the key, there is one sound. You must have heard one sound. And just like any other Activa and any other non-geared vehicle, you have to press the brake and then turn on. So now the motor is on. Now all you have to do is twist the accelerator. "16 km per hour. That was quick. Both are actually disc brakes, so it is very much effective. It's very good brake. And the coolest feature on this vehicle, which is actually not needed, but still there is one more thing: park assist. If you slide here, now it is in the reverse gear. Yeah, it has a reverse gear. There is no gear, but there is one option, reverse, and the maximum speed you can do is only 2 km per hour. I'll just show you. It is reverse. Okay, so you can cancel here, or you can just press the power button again forward. And again, I will say it is one of the coolest features on this vehicle, that is GPS. Yes, it has GPS. It's here. Yep, you can see the location, current location, and you can search anything. I'll give suppose Forum Mall. I'm searching. It is a bit slower, but it's okay. So there is some connectivity issue as of now. It is only temporary issue, so I cannot show the the location. Anyway, there is actually GPS, and it will be helpful if you are stuck anywhere. And the next thing is the documents. You can see in the settings, the option, there is one option, documents. You can simply upload your documents to this vehicle: DLs, RC, insurance, everything you can just upload. And how do you upload the documents to this vehicle? That is the obvious question. And for that, we have one application from Play Store. You can download Ather, and you can just link the vehicle to your app, and it will show range here also. And you can actually upload all the documents through your profile. Documents option is there. You can actually go on adding here whatever document you need. So that will be displayed here. Now the next thing is shutdown option. This will be helpful only if you are going out of station for 3-4 days and you will not be here. Then you can shut the vehicle down, and that will actually save your battery. In idle position, battery will consume around 6 to 8% of charge, and if you are shutting it down, then obviously around 1 or 2% battery will be consumed. So the next thing is how to open the dicky portion. So it's not like any other non-gear vehicle. There is one, again, it's a cool feature actually. You have to turn off the key and you have to just give a click towards lock. It's not completely locking, you have to just give a click here, so that will open. And how do you close? It is not like pressing. You cannot press it and close it. You have to just leave it like this. It is just like our car's bonnets, how you leave it, just like that. So totally 340 kilometers has been completed on this vehicle, and I will also show you guys how to charge the vehicle. There is actually charging port here. The charging port is here, and we will see how to charge the vehicle now. Okay. Let's get it in. It's raining. Yep. I'll park here and then turn it off. There is only side stand for in this vehicle. There is no center stand, only side stand. It's actually pure city commuter. So that is the charging point of this vehicle, and I'll show you how to charge. So the key is off now. You should not keep the key on. You should turn it off. Then you have to connect the charger. Okay. Once you put the charger into the vehicle, that will lock inside. You cannot remove the charger again. Okay, you have to turn the key on, and then the lock will open. Then only you can pull it outside. Otherwise, when the key is off, you cannot pull it out. It will be locked inside. So when I turn the key off, there is one sound that is locking actually. So now it is locked. You cannot remove. That is actually a very good feature. You can take out the key and go around. One more thing is, this charging point has a sensor, and it is actually compatible with only with this vehicle. You cannot charge any other vehicle with this charger because it has a sensor inside. In the public charging points, you can charge any vehicles. There is no restriction like you have to charge only this vehicle, that vehicle. You can charge any vehicle there, and obviously you can turn off the key. You can lock the vehicle and take it out. It will be locked inside. So that is safety. For safety, you can go around and come back in half an hour, 1 hour while charging. You don't have to be there all the time. You can just lock the vehicle and take out the key, go. It will be charging. After 1 hour, 2 hours, whatever it is, you can come back and turn on the key, take out the charging cable, and you can ride. I think they charge 10 rupees per kilometer charge. So as I said earlier, it is actually visible here. So every kilometer 10 rupees, I think they are charging now, as of now. So you can see 58 minutes remaining for complete charge. It is showing 52 already. So only some percentage is remaining, maybe 5 to 10% around it is remaining now. ಇದೆಂತ ಆರ್ನ ಇದು ರೈಟ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಮೋಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಓಕೆ GPS okay